Yeah, so we're starting to put it back together now. Body panels are finished and looking nice, and I've got the MK Technologies stand. Down here is the A-frame folded up that lifts the car up, grabs it by the roll bar, and I can throw it on this table that nicely holds the car. So yeah, here's a better view of the SR8. So these are the 300 millimeter, the largest of the brakes that you can get for the car, and just a little close up how it all comes together. Beautiful carbon fiber brake cooling shrouds. And there's the back side of the dash, and one of the air jacks. That's where the battery mounts on this side. And check this out. Here's my polished exhaust system. So it's you can eat off this thing now, and it is like the shiniest, nicest looking exhaust system that we're finding on Radical. Firing on, just crazy. And the engine's all detailed, and haven't finished putting everything back on. The cooling system in the oil and the engine coolant are still going to go on later on today. So here's the rear suspension and brakes. Again, 300 millimeter rear discs, and again on this side you have the oil container there for the level, and then on this side you have the ECU. You can see my date code on this thing is May 15th, 2013 is when, 2015 when it got refreshed last. So yeah, we get seats put back in tomorrow, and maybe get the side pods going. And then after that, the other panels can start going in. I still have to replace the throttle cable. This throttle cable, the end of it was frayed. The bottom here we can't see in the dark there, but it's not perfect, so when it comes. But you can see how nice this car is, how beautiful and clean it is now, and it's gonna rumble. So Dylan's my new race buddy. He's gonna be my partner in crime on this project. Was in helping me get things mounted. So for the side pods, the deal is mount the radiators and the pumps and things first, get everything done, and then put them on. So there's a single rod that attaches that goes to the inside corner, 3 bolts on the inside, and that's it. It's a little bit loose. This thing just sort of hangs here on the side support until the top piece comes down, and then everything clips in and stiffens it up. So yeah, we got that on. Next thing is, with the front air splitter off, you have to get the height and a bunch of things adjusted. So take this front clip on and off a few times until you're sure everything is square and everything lines up, and then you're good to go. So yeah, it's good to have all that stuff on, and I'm just gonna square this front end up next. Yeah, so nothing is lined up, but throwing the body panels on, just to say, hey, it's back together. And God, it's actually a big car. It's got a lot of size to it, so it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So anyway, here we go. we'll fiddle with the panels more, and they're gonna have to come back off anyway. I'm just doing this so I can park another car in the garage while I travel for a couple days. So here we are making some more progress. Basically got the some of the front aero bits on, and the body panel sort of roughly in place, and just starting to put the latches back on, the mirrors on, and that kind of stuff. So chipping away at it, vents, all that kind of stuff. So I'm getting down to the final bits, and I expect that I will have this thing fully together in the next 2 weeks. And so basically I've got a deal where I'm selling the car to another local fellow, Dylan Cooper, and I'm going to partner with him on it. So he'll take everything, and I will support the car technically and ride in the car over the next 2 years. A small amount, just enough so that it's satisfying for me, given all the work I put into the project and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll get all the lighting finished, the fronts in, but the rears have to get some fresh bulbs, and then I'll put all that stuff in the next day or two.